So today we've got a guest feature because David Quotagious has come over. He lives about 12 miles away and he wanted to bring some bits and pieces, and he's in his car. He's got an Albrecht AE6110 into a Sirio aerial, and he wanted to go over the test route to see how it performs. So we'll see. He's got Mr. Chippie with him, so he knows exactly where the test route is. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie or Quotagious, over.
Yeah, Tango 21, Mr. Chippie here. We're just in the lay-by towards the end of the range, so we'll be setting off shortly.
Okay, Roger on that. I've had this. I did just check his power, and it was doing 4.1 watts into our dummy load. So. Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, just passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, just passing the top of the hill as we descend into Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Tango 21 for Mississippi, Taxi Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, that's fine, and my squelch didn't drop out, over.
Roger that, yep, that sounds fine. Right, stay over Wilsford level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger that.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, I've got you at the Greyleys turn, over. So just dropping the squelch there, which is not unusual. The final call will be raw speed, and that's usually better than that previous one. So that's the 5 mile point. Roger, got you going over raw speed level crossing. Good, right. Okay, it is a Albrecht AE6110, isn't it? Roger, Sirio Performer, which model? I missed that bit, over. Okay, Roger on that. Okay, got you. So Sirio Performer 5000 he's got, and that's drilled into the roof. So it's more or less the test. It's more or less what we would get from our own test vehicle. So he wanted to make sure it was working right, and that's the proof of the pudding, because it's working exactly as expected. It's fun. Isn't that great? You see, you get people coming, they're wanting to use our test route just to make sure the radio's all right. Famous. So that's David Quotagious, and I said, do you want me to record this? He said, yeah, may as well. So there we are. So thank you for watching.